Hi friends, this is Mitesh Kansara, editor e-Parle, the home bulletin of JCI Alkapuri Baroda. It is our great privilege to have with us our national president of 2018 of JCI India from none other than Baroda and from our own chapter JCI Alkapuri Baroda. Thank you very much, sir, for taking out some time for sharing your ideas with us. Welcome to this interview. I would like to have some ideas from you so that it can be an inspiration for the youth and everybody can learn from your journey of so many years of consistent commitment with this great organization. I would like to know, sir, how did you get introduced to JCI?
Well, as soon as I finished my college education, my father wanted me to join one of the organization which is into personality development. And my family members, especially past state president Nitin Bhai and past zone president Sanjay Bhai, were a part of junior chamber, and my father knew them that they have grown, they have developed, and they have gained a lot of experience from this organization. So from the very first day he thought that this is the right platform for me to join this organization because it will help me to develop into a better individual, and so I joined this organization.
At what age did you join the organization?
I joined at the age of 22.
Sir, may I know, did you take this organization seriously from the first day or did it take some time to be serious about it?
Well, it is always said that love always happens at the very first sight, and so
Yes.
that the same happened to me by becoming the member of this organization. I very much fell in the love with this organization from the very first day because I was given maximum opportunities to lead and to gain a lot of experience. And that is when I felt that this is the best organization for an individual to be a part of.
Yeah. When did you become the president of the local organization JCI Baroda Alkapuri?
Well, I served as a local organization president in the year 2007.
And what changes did you see in yourself after going through that experience?
This is one of the best university of learning, practical learning, I would say. And from the very beginning, as far as my nature was concerned, I was a very introvert guy.
Yes.
But the moment I took over the loan presidentship, I could sense a tremendous transformation and change in me as an individual, because wherever we had to work on our own, be it with our own members, be with the government, or be it any projects. So that is where I started developing a sense of belief that yes, I can definitely do it, and that sense of extrovertness started developing in me as an individual.
Okay, so you saw some serious changes in yourself after 1 year of presidentship.
Yes.
Okay, sir, may I know how does training help a youth in this organization?
Well, training is the heart of our organization. It's a core area of our organization. We are known as an individual development organization.
Yeah.
So I would insist that every youth must undergo a process of training, because the great legendary cricketer even Sachin Tendulkar says that every day is a learning day.
Yes.
So being a youth of this country, being the future of this organization, we must undergo the process of training.
Okay, I would also like to know that is it possible to carry out our other responsibilities also along with paying attention to this organization?
Definitely, yes. If we are able to manage everything, because we have been trained in a way that time management is one of the most important aspects. We need to set our priorities, and if we are able to prioritize what our need of the hour is, and if we are able to manage the time, I think we can justify everything.
Yeah, and I can vouch myself that you have been a great father, great entrepreneur, and also reached new milestones in this organization. So I think it is certainly possible, and you have shown yourself by your life that it is very much possible to balance everything. Sir, may I know what is your vision to take JCI India forward this year?
Well, as you are all aware that this is a youth organization, and currently we stand with a membership of 48,000 approximately. So we need to give maximum opportunities to the youth of this country and this nation to come forward and be a part of this organization so that they can also become a better individual. And I would insist my national governing board to bring maximum new members to this forum, to this organization, so that, as very rightly said, that youth gets the maximum opportunity.
So growth will be
Growth
a primary
will be
focus.
one area. Second area, we would be focusing on the hosting of World Congress at Goa.
Yeah.
India is having a great privilege after one decade. In
Yes.
2008, we hosted in New Delhi, and now we are having a privilege to host in Goa in 2018. So this is one of the best moments for JCI India to enjoy and celebrate as far as year 2018 is concerned.
Yeah, we are all hoping for that proud moment that we can host that World Congress. Sir, may I know how is Junior Chamber International working with the other big organizations of the world like United Nations to cope up with the challenges which the world is facing right now, like hunger, poverty, and lack of direction for the youth?
Very much. We have been working with United Nations, and there are 17 sustainable development goals, out of which India has adopted 6 sustainable development goals. So on those SDGs we are working on it, and our year 2018 project is also named as Impact 2030,
Yes.
where we will be doing local level projects, and those projects will be based on those 6 SDGs.
Yeah, very good. And Junior Chamber International has always been on the forefront when the challenges the world is facing are concerned. And one final message which you would like to give to the youth of this great nation?
Well, what I would appeal to the youth of this country is that please do come forward and be a part of this great organization, because there is no other practical university or college in this world where you can get so much of learning and so much of experience in terms of administration, in terms of management, in terms of training, be it anything. And if you are not being a part of this organization, you are definitely going to miss something very much interesting as far as your life is concerned. Be a part of JCI. I am JCI. Be proud of it.
Thank you very much for sharing your ideas and vision with us, and I am sure this year this great organization is going to get a lot of growth and great momentum forward, and a lot of lives will be touched by this great organization under your able leadership. Thank you, sir.
Change begins with me. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Friends, this was National President 2018 of JCI India, JC Arpit Hathi. On a personal note, I had joined this great organization when he was the local organization president, and he was one of the main reasons I got serious in this institution. And it has been a great journey for me also. I have seen him personally grow from a youth who was just starting his journey to a great leader, where he is right now able to lead almost 50,000 youth. It is a great achievement under 40 years. We cannot even imagine in any other organization a person under 40 years old who can lead 50,000 different people to achieve a great goal, a single goal, single-mindedly, and always be action oriented. So I would say that this is a great inspirational story who has gone up from amongst us. He was just one of us, and he has reached the highest peaks of this organization. I am sure anybody can achieve this feat if we are also consistent and persistent and serious enough like him. Thank you very much.